Wonderful brothers and sisters, it's another great day again that Heavenly Father has enabled us to see it. And we always thank you for everything, especially for your health. One thing I've come to realize that you do not take your health for granted. Don't take your health for granted. That is one of the greatest lessons I've learned. And I learned it in a very hard way. I learned it when I was in the hospital. And somebody told me hospital ceiling boards are very boring. Yes, they are actually boring. And one of the greatest things that I've always learned is to cherish every moment of my life, appreciate every little things that are happening in your life. The fact that you can wake up and you can do certain things, you can put on your clothes without any struggle. You can walk without any struggle. Just appreciate Heavenly Father for everything that is happening in your life because it's a blessing. It's a blessing that you're like that. There are people who are struggling so much just to put on socks in their feet. Just trying to put on socks in their feet. They are really struggling so much. But as for you, you are well. The Lord has enabled you to be okay. You can dress well without any struggle. Thank God for that gift that you have today. You need to thank Him for everything. Now, today, I am actually taken to listen to one of the talks by Sister Marjorie Hinckley, who was actually a wife to President Gordon B. Hinckley. And this talk is full of humor. This talk is full of a lot of wonderful things that can make you actually feel good about yourself. And as I listened to it, I learned a lesson that Heavenly Father wants us to be peaceful. Heavenly Father wants us to be actually happy. Heavenly Father wants His children to be light in the spirit so that you can serve Him well. But if you are not light in the spirit, you will not actually be able to serve Him well. But He wants us to be light. We avoid actually holding grudges. We avoid having hard feelings against each other. And that is one of the greatest things that we can ever have in our lives. Now, without further ado, let me just invite you so that we can listen to what Sister Hinckley had to say. Please welcome.
Well, then just do do whatever's here.
That's the way it goes with us. Nothing ever works out. Well, first of all, I'm just absolutely overwhelmed with the number of people here. Don't you folks have anything to do? Well, I do want to thank you for being here. Otherwise, all this work I've done would be for naught. Thank you for being here and bringing such a wonderful feeling of really true friendship with you.
Okay, this is
me. You. We didn't rehearse this, but you can see. Those years of being a mother to young children were wonderful years. We lived in a semi-rural area. We had a large piece of property with lawns and gardens and orchards and plenty of work to keep the children out of mischief. Just didn't work. Did I go home? He came in the kitchen, straddled a chair backwards and said, "Mom, I had a wonderful childhood, didn't I?" And I thought, I'm glad he enjoyed it. Jewish women have a wonderful way of bidding each other goodbye. They don't say goodbye, they don't say adios, they say, "Have joy in your children." And so I would say to all of you, have joy in your mothering. I know it's hard, but try. Whether you are the mother, the aunt, I was trying to be fancy. Where were we?
Whether you're the aunt.
Oh,
Mother, over the years, your advice and influence has shaped my life. What message would you like to share with these women today?
I don't know.
This woman is out of control.
Don't worry, I've got it written here. My advice is to be the best person you can be. Profound, isn't it? Women today find themselves in very different circumstances. We may ask, is life fair? Was this what I was born to do?
We ask that all the time, don't we, Mother?
Mm-hmm. We do. Perhaps our greatest quest is to live worthy to know what the Lord's will is concerning us, what we are meant to do. Some of us are married, some of us are not, unfortunately, I mean. What's the matter? Where are we now?
Some of you. Just start here.
Some women are leaders. That's a profound statement. This church is full of them. Bright, capable women who are doing wonderful things.
That was Sister Marjorie Hinckley, the wife of the former president of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. She's now deceased, but you can see she had a very wonderful spirit. Very, very wonderful spirit. She was somebody who you could not be bored when you were just close to her, like the time of just listening to this clip, I've laughed to an extent that even I've even lost my own, at times you have no reason to be stressed in this life. Some people tend to take things so seriously in themselves to an extent that they are forgetting to see the beauty on the other side. And that is one of the things that President Hinckley used to counsel, that don't be too much to an extent that you end up forgetting seeing the beauty on the other side. And this is one of the greatest things. And just listening to Sister Hinckley here, you will laugh for the rest of your life when you are with her. She's a sister who had a great sense of humor. She had a very wonderful and a great sense of humor. Like you can see in that congregation, people just laughed, and then at the end of it all, everybody's happy. Everybody's happy. And this is key, my wonderful brothers and sisters. Be happy. At whatever cost, be happy. Happiness is never bought. Happiness is never bought. We only choose to be happy. And you can choose to be happy today. You can choose to be happy today. I know there are so many challenges and all that, but take the prophet's counsel that you should not actually be engaged on other things and you end up forgetting better things on the other side. Otherwise, thank you very much. God bless you. And I'm looking forward to see you again next time. Have a wonderful time and be happy.